Buddha, Damma, and Sangha are triple gem of Buddhism. Anyone who is following triple gems with the correct understanding of each gem can claim as a Buddhist. Buddha is the highest position a soul can achieve. From a simple example, I will explain Buddha, which is the example exactly used by Buddha to explain who he is. Think about a lotus flower or lily flower. Lotus or lily plants stay in mud. Leaves come out to the water level. Some lily or lotus flowers come out from the mud and water and stays without contacting water. Mud and water is like all other people. Buddha is like the lotus or lily flower which stays above water without contacting water in a mud pond. Gautama Buddha's name before becoming Buddha was Siddhartha. Siddhartha was born as a man in a royal family. In his young age, he realized that people are suffering. He wanted to discover true wisdom. He went to religious leaders at that time and learned their concepts, but he could not discover the true wisdom. Then he went to jungle and started analyzing a lot of things, did a lot of meditation and practiced many ways of becoming Buddha on his own. After several years of trying to understand true wisdom, finally he discovered true wisdom. This is a simple explanation about Buddha. I will provide more details in next videos. Then we will move to Damma. Teachings of Buddha are called Damma. Damma includes teachings on how to overcome suffering and dissatisfaction. As well as Damma has a lot of teachings about self-development, meditation, discovering yourself, and many more. For example, Buddha has educated people on how to manage personal finances, how to live a successful marriage life, how to care about parents, how to find good friends, even how to rule a country, and many more. We will learn Buddha's teachings in this series of videos. Important to note that Dhamma has a lot of lessons to improve our day-to-day lives. Then third is Sangha. Sangha word means group of people, but it's not a normal group of people. Buddhist monks, Buddhist nuns, laymen and laywomen are included in Sangha. Not every person who's wearing a robe and shaved his or her head is not considered as Sangha. Sangha are people who are following Buddha's teachings and trying to achieve 4 stages of entitlement and nirvana, who have already achieved one or many stages of entitlement, or who have fully achieved nirvana. We will discuss about 4 stages of entitlement and nirvana in future videos. Please feel free to ask any questions regarding Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha or Buddhism in the comments section below. Make sure you subscribe if you like to learn more about Buddhism. Buddha did not ask anyone to follow his teachings. He did not give any incentives or rewards for following Buddhism. Buddha just said, "Come and have a look at Dhamma." we say watch our videos and have a look at Buddha's teachings.